Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 29. If you are just joining this series, check out the description below where you will find links to topics covered from days 1 through 28. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of planning ahead. So if you recall from day 5, what the base year is, using students who are seniors right now in 2024, they will complete the FAFSA beginning November 21st, when it actually opened a little early this year. Beginning now, they will complete the FAFSA using tax information from last year, 2023, for the award year, which is next year, 2025. And we learned that advanced planning is critical. So again, the base year, you can look at it as either 2 calendar years before the upcoming college award year, or you can look at it as the tax year before you fill out the FAFSA. If you recall from day 7, we talked about factors affecting the SAI based on income. The parent income, which most of the time is assessed at 47%. That means after the income protection allowance, every $1,000 that the parent earns increases the student aid index by $470. For the student, after their income protection allowance, every $1,000 the student earns increases the SAI by $500. So we learned how important it is to look at strategies to reduce the reportable income on the FAFSA. So what can you do? College Cost Cutter has a proprietary student positioning program that not only provides academic positioning to help the student find the best fit where they will have the highest probability of admission and acceptance, but also financial compatibility. The colleges that will help the student by offering the highest amount of financial aid based on the student's profile and the need that's calculated. You can get an early SAI estimate. You don't have to wait until it's time to fill out the FAFSA to learn what your SAI is or get an estimate of it early, years early. You can use that number to calculate the estimated need. Pick out a few colleges that you know you're already interested in, and we can help determine what the estimated need would be for that college. Find colleges that meet the high percentages of need and estimate how much they will meet. And again, early it's estimates, but we can do some pretty accurate estimates. From that, you can determine what your out-of-pocket cost will actually be based on the estimates and begin to take proactive measures to reduce your out-of-pocket cost, even to target your out-of-pocket cost and work to get there. So you're not like a deer stuck in the headlights looking at the SAI, wondering how they expect you to pay, and looking at your bill from the colleges, wondering what you're going to do at the last minute. You can proactively influence these numbers. And so take action. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, invite others to tune into this series. Check us out at collegecostcutter.com. And we will see you on the last day of Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.